Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change an iPhone XR screen easy way. It's simple. You just want to warm up the sides, not too much heat. Sometimes you don't need heat. If you think your phone was open before, you don't need this much heat. I think that's enough. Remove the bottom screws first. The bottom screws of the 10 and up are bigger than this one. In this case, everybody use different pry tools, but I like this razors. So just stick it over there, make sure it gets further enough, because these screens are thicker. Move that back, and then use plastic after that. So went back to place. Okay, that's it. Now we open this one like always, like a book. Then we remove the battery first, which is these three. Then try to organize them. Trying to do it faster for the editing, but you take your time. Now you remove this 4 screws. Make sure you put them organized. these as they are, so that way you can make sure you put them back the way they are. Okay, put this bracket here, and then start removing the battery first, and then this one, and then okay, so we'll put that on the side, then we remove the speaker. There's a little screw here. Take care of it first. Remove these three now. The other one, second one. Then the last one. This one is bigger, so you guys pay attention to that. Now, it's the easy part. You can see what you're doing. Okay, that side, this side, then last thing here. There's a little bracket here. I don't know why they don't have it on the other phones, but this is, we need to keep it, so we're gonna put it back the way it is. Some people, they don't use plastic. I like plastic because I feel comfortable working with plastic. So we don't need this anymore. Let's see the new one. The new one probably has the plastic casing for that. Let's see. I'm gonna remove this one. Then also remove this one. Then that's it. I'm gonna start pushing this back. So we put this one back in place. If I put it down, it would be easier, but then I want to get closer to the camera, so that's why I have it hang. So now it went all the way to place. We're gonna put this little bracket in place. This little bracket, I need to lay down. It should be this way. Fit it in there and then push it back. Nice and easy. That's it. Now, the fun part. Gonna flip it back, make sure it's aligned. Make sure it's aligned. And I suggest we start with the small one, because I always have problem with this small one if I leave it at the end. So We're gonna leave it loose a little bit like that. This is the bigger one, so you guys pay attention to this one. Is a little big. Okay, now go back and tie them again. The last thing we're gonna do is this small one. Tie it a little more. That's it. Okay, now we get the phone back. So I think this adhesive is still good, so I'm just gonna use it. And now the battery. We'll make sure we're just gonna see what we did. Looks like this one is dead. Looks like everything is working fine. We're gonna continue. We're gonna put the brackets back. We can start with the battery one first, which is this one. Then we're gonna put this one. Let's finish up, so we don't want to go back. Okay, then the screen one. Last one. Line up this, preferably if you can remove the SIM card. The proper way is to push with your side of your hand. Don't push with the tip of your fingers. That's the proper way to not to damage pixels. Okay, put this back. Right. Push it to the. Okay. Okay. We put the bottom screws now. Bottom screws. Okay. Now we're gonna test the phone. Need some charged. Charge it a little bit to see. Everything looks good. We're gonna put the screen protector. Okay guys, everything is working fine. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next video.